Happy Holi to your family from our family, guys. It's Phagwa today, Holi, and as usual, we will be making the usual treats that Hindus make on Holi. And here we have made already some sweet rice, looking nice, real nice. So now we're gonna be going and make some Parsad. So here is our ingredients for our Parsad. We have our butter, our flour, cherries, raisins, sugar, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. So we're gonna make this Parsad now, guys. So let's begin. Alright guys, so we're gonna add our butter to our karahi now to start making the Parsad. So I don't know if you guys noticed our spoon. I want to give a special shout out to the Barbados family of Canada who gave this to us, donated this to our channel. This along with many other things. I have to do a video showing that. I know I'm behind a little bit. The Barbados family, thank you very much. A lot of things they give to the channel, some knives and other stuff, and also things that were donated to Guyana, which we donated to the less fortunate in Guyana. So they did really a lot for us and others in Guyana. So I want to give them a special shout out, and also for the beautiful letter. So I'll do a video on that another day along with some other shout outs to people who have contributed to our channel. So now we're gonna wait for our butter to melt. So over here, while our butter is getting melted here, over here we have some water with our cinnamon stick that you saw there before. And now we're gonna add some sugar to this. So this here is called the Phag for the Parsad. And as you know, we have a recipe video for this from a long time back. So I also will be putting the ingredients below this just in case you want the ingredients for this. So our Phag is ready, the sugar is melted there, and we have our cinnamon sticks in there. And we're waiting for this to melt completely. Okay guys, so our butter is melted right now, and we're gonna add our flour. Yes guys, so for Phagwa, Hindus make a lot of sweets. You make this, you make goja, some people make pera, and all the other goodies, barfi, and all those things. Mithai, and all of those recipes, you guys know you can find them on our channel, right? We have all of the recipes, anyone you can think of is on our channel. Yeah, so drop us a comment guys, let us know what you're making for this Phagwa, what you're making today. Alright guys, so our Parsad has been going for a little bit now, it's coming to the end, so you have to parch it here until it gets the desired color. So it has to take on a little bit of a darker color to know that it is parched. And it's gotten darker here now, so a little bit more, and then we're gonna add our oil stuff. Alright guys, so we've parched this for about 5 minutes or so, and you want to parch this until it gets, if it parches a bit, it changes a bit of color, or if not, then it's gonna taste raw. So we think we are here, it's parched enough, it's changed a bit of color as you can see. And we're gonna add our evaporated milk into our Phag that we had with the cinnamon stick. cherries and our raisins. And it's all gonna come together here now, guys. Our condensed milk now. Alright guys, so we have taken this off the stove, and here is our parsad. It's done. And we also soaked some bara. We set some bara to do as well. That has risen, ready to fry, so we're gonna go fry that now too. So since we can make bara, guys, we're gonna make some baigani. You must have baigani. I love my baigani. We just so happy to have baigani in the house. So some baigani it is. So look at our mixture already raised. See that? Nice baigan there. We oil hot already, so we're gonna test out one here. You gotta do the test, you know. That looks good. So how are we gonna make some baigani for us? So I love baigani buys. Who else like baigani like me? That's the first thing I just go after. And one of the boys, he like Pholouri bad. Pholouri first name. So we don't have the basin set up here. So the first pour is out. Looking scrumptious. Yes guys, so some nice mango sour with this. That'll be your business, right? Yeah, so we're still doing the baigani. We have 3 more or so to go. A lot of baigani. Oh, don't worry, me alone eat out half of this. Alright, so we're down to the last 4 baigani. And then we're gonna be making some bara and Pholouri. Alright, so Baigani is done. Looking nice, huh? Salivating here already. And taste none yet, you know. Alright. Get in there. Alright guys, so this is the last two barrel coming out here now. We're gonna go make some Pholouri. So we're gonna have a little bit of everything. For this is the Holi, Phagwa. There you go. So that's how you make it Pholouri wrong. Right, so all our mixture's done already. That was quick. Alright guys, so we're almost done here. There you go. That's it. Alright, so here's our finished stuff guys. We have our sweet rice, our Parsad, Baigani, Pholouri bar. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna be spending our Phagwah today. As I said, happy Phagwah from our family to yours. Hope you have a splendid, wonderful Phagwah. Enjoy your day. That's it from us for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you have a merry time with your family and friends on this auspicious day. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.